Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send messages on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that, go to the chat section in the bottom of the screen, click on it, and in the top of the screen, you will see your matches, and of course, you should have matches to send and receive messages on the app. And the match, that means you liked someone and he liked you back in the app, of course. So you click on the profile of that person, and after that you can type whatever thing that you want in the message and click on the blue icon, and like that you will send this message to that person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, put it in the comment section, and see you in the next one.